This channel does not promote or promotion any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant only for educational purpose only.
Plate my foxes. Today I will show what happens if you, my dear friend, replace hard drive while your computer is running. As you can see, I took my server with a WD hard drive for an experiment. I changed it to this Shiretsu Hitachi hard drive. Well, let's get started. I'm going to launch the video now. As you can see, everything plays well and the system feels great. But media player does not find any sound devices. It's system bug. And I'm just now replacing the hard drive. And it seems my system feels bad and the video just hung up. Oops, my computer just rebooted without even giving out the blue screen of this. Then I put my native hard drive back in place and restarted the system. And as we can see, everything worked fine and as if nothing has happened. For the next experiment I have already opened several programs, namely I started the video and opened the task manager as the resource monitor to monitor the state of the computer and repeated the experiment. The video after the manipulation was done. Of course, hung up, but the task manager and the resource monitor were still working. So I decided to move between the tabs of two programs to see the current state of the computer. And as we can see, the resource monitor shows a 100% hard drive load. Apparently the system is trying to find its files, but since well replaces the hard drive, it does not see its files and folders and tries to find them all over the disk. But after a few minutes the program hung and it's simply impossible to use the computer. A few minutes later the computer restarts, as for the first time, but the initialization takes longer. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye my foxes.